So this will be the last example for section 2.1. In this example, we have a surfboarder. He tacks into the wind such that the force is perpendicular to the sail is 40 pounds. We're supposed to resolve this force into two components, one parallel to the surfboard's direction of travel and one perpendicular to the surfboard's direction of travel. All right, let's take a look at this. I have this vector. I'm going to redraw it on top here. I have the direction of the sail here. And I have the direction of the board. And I'm going to just cut those out of this real quickly. And move those there. I'm going to actually take sorry. I think I can grab that one, and I'm going to move it there also. Okay, now let's look at what we have. I have this angle, I know, is 25 degrees. I have this force here is 40 pounds. I have, and this is my direction of travel. This is 90 degrees here. Right, so I know this. I'm going to want to look at these vectors here. One that is parallel to the direction of travel. We'll call that one F parallel. And one perpendicular. F perpendicular. I know this too is 90. I don't know that angle, but I can find it. And that we'll call alpha. Alpha is equal to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 25 degrees. And that gives me an angle of 65 degrees. Okay? So now I have that triangle. And if you'll remember our basics of trigonometry before, right? So here's my 65 degrees, right? Here's my force, 40 pounds, right? Oops, 40 pounds, not degrees. And I need to find this one, which is the same as F parallel. And the C is equal to F perpendicular. Know those like the back of your hand, right? So if I look at this, I can write F parallel is the 40 pounds times the adjacent side, which is the cosine of 65 degrees. That is 16.9 pounds, and it's parallel. F perpendicular is equal to, of course, 40 pounds sine of 65 degrees. And if I calculate that, 36.3 pounds. The way to check your work, of course, would be what is my sail force? We know it's 40. Does that equal the sum of the squares of the other two? 16.9 squared plus 36.3 squared, square root. And if you check that, you'll find out that that does equal. Okay, so we'll end the this chapter right here.